They are trying to outrun karma, and they are going to need your help. This person knows that they are going to be giving a dose of their own medicine. This individual knows that karma is coming for them. For some of you, this person is already experiencing their karma, and they want to rid of this bad karma by associating with you. For others of you, this person feels like the scales of karma are now going to balance and not in their favor because of what they did to you and what they did to others. There's something that this person done that they're trying to escape from. They're trying to run away from. It may have something to do with money. It may have something to do with a job, some type of stability, a home, some type of investment, inheritance, some type of position. This person is very fearful that they are going to fall from grace. They're very fearful that they are going to be infamous, that they are going to destroy their character. Now, the thing is, I feel like these things have occurred already for this individual, but this person is trying to restore their image, and they feel like by aligning with you will help them reshape how they are seen by others. You see, this person is a wreck. They've tried to wreck your life. They tried to wreck other people's life because they've wrecked their own life. This person acts as if they are stable. This person acts as if, they've got everything all sorted out. They're high flying, They are not humble and they are not down to earth. There's no aspect of this person that is relatable. This person tries to come across as if they are relatable, but they're not. People can sense the inauthenticness with this individual. This person is just very fixated on money, and they will do whatever it takes to get money, even if it means to betray someone, betray their own family members. For some of you, they don't care. And I feel like because of their greed for money, they are now facing karma. Their life is turned upside down. For some of you, this person is having some type of mental conflictedness is what I'm hearing. They feel very scattered. They feel very discombobulated. They are very fearful that people have found out the truth about what they done and who they really are. They may have had people fooled in the past, and people have walked away from this individual. People do not want no parts with this person. Even their romantic connections are in jeopardy. And for some of you, I feel like this person may feel as if they are seen with you, if they are seen with you, I should say, sorry, then their reputation will be regained. For others of you, this person feels like they need to befriend you because they feel like you are seen in a high light. And if they become your friend, then people will start looking at them as how they look at you. People see you as very magical. People see you as very harmonious, very pleasant. And this person sees you as very at peace with yourself, right? And they want to be viewed in that way. It's almost as if this person is trying to, what's the word? This person is trying to rebrand themselves, rebrand their image. You see, this person's so deluded. They feel like they are famous or something like this. And because of how they acted towards you and others, I feel like this person looked down on a lot of people. This person was very ruthless and reckless in how they treated other people. And you could have been one of the individuals that they mistreated. But now they need your help because they're seeing that people actually value you. People actually respect you. And they're thinking, I need to get with my viewer. I need to align with them. I need to be seen talking to them, hanging out with them. I need to get access to them because people like this person. They know that people don't like them. They know that people ignore them. They know that people don't want to bother with them. And for some of you, they could be trying to use you to get to a love interest. They may feel like, okay, this love interest doesn't see me in a certain light. And if I'm seen with this person who I think this love interest may like, they may like me. This is a mimicker as well. This person definitely wants a new beginning. So for 2026, for some of you, this person may be trying to reach out to you, trying to find you on social media. They may try and connect with people that know you to get your number, because they see you in a high light. And I feel like in the past they saw you in a high light, but they downplayed you. They may have ignored you. They may have tried to, I don't know, like this person done the most. I just feel like this person tried to, I feel like they tried to rival you for your energy because they were so threatened by you. But they always knew that you were a safe person to be around. They always saw your light. They always saw how abundant you are. You know, how free flowing your energy was, how inviting and giving, and, you know, someone that has great energy, good golden energy, someone that's high vibrational. But because this person felt stuck, they may have been very entrapped in the mind. You know, I feel like this person suffers from a lot of depression, and they don't focus on their depression. How they actually try to handle their depression is through vices, unfortunately, which makes it worse. It aggravates this depression. And seeing your light, see how bright these cards are? Seeing your light just irritated their demons. You heard that saying before, but it really did, because they felt like they were in spiritual jail. And when they looked at you, you seemed very high vibrational, happy, like everything's going well for you. And it's like, oh, why can't I be like them? And, you know, it just irritated them so much. And they felt like you had many options, many love options. And maybe one of these love options was someone that they actually wanted, but they felt like they couldn't get this type of caliber of person. And they felt like, of course, it's going to be you. Of course, you're going to get that person because you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're happy, you're positive, you've got good energy. And I'm struggling every second of the day. So they may have tried to target you, and they may have tried to swap energies with you to put you in this spiritual jail that they were under. They may have tried to play mind games with you. They may have tried to make you feel like you weren't attractive, like the person that had romantic feelings for you was having a secret liaison with them or secret liaisons with others. They did the most. But now they're seeing that all their plots and schemes have come to a tumultuous end. You know, this individual has been outed. And again, there's the energy of them wanting to resurrect and come back onto the scene, but align with you because they feel like you're that girl or you're that guy. And they still want to get to some sort of object of affection. It could be like a job offer. It could be some sort of commitment. It could be, you know, trying to get a love suitor that is interested in you. It could be an opportunity, a creative opportunity. But this person was secretly trying to rival you in the background. And whatever they did, it failed. But they want to connect with you to try and succeed over you once again, because they feel like you won. They feel like you've won something, like you've overcome their manipulation. You know, you're very powerful. They see you as extremely powerful, because I feel like this person is used to destroying others and one-upping others and getting things before others, stomping people, in their view, their competition, out of the picture and getting the blessings. But with you, it's like this person's more powerful than me. So if I can't beat them, I need to join them. But this person is definitely going to face even more karma. Whatever they experienced before, that's just the beginning, right? This person's going to be stuck. So if they're planning on trying to align with you to get an opportunity to maybe have a romantic relationship with you so that they can gain some sort of high position in a workplace or get some sort of family money, right? If you come from a successful family, maybe this person was trying to be in a relationship with you, like they were trying to be some sort of gold digger or something like this, then what's going to actually happen is this person's going to be slowed down. Spirit's going to slow them down. and this person's going to be on the outside looking in. You are going to continue to win. You are going to continue to be victorious. What this person tried to take from you, for some of you, it was your power, it was your confidence and a position. They wanted to be in your position. They wanted people to view them the way that people view you, as someone that's very competent, a leader, a strong, powerful force to be reckoned with, someone that's extremely handsome, someone that's got a great physique, someone that is, a leader out here, someone that is fierce, someone that's resilient, someone that's a lion or a lioness. This is the way that you are viewed by this individual. And they try to downplay it, and now they want to align with it. This person's going to witness that you are loved by all. This person tried to segregate you because of your differences. They tried to turn other people against you because of your differences. And these same people are attracted to you, whether that's in a romantic sense or a friendship sense or a business sense, because of your differences. And people don't care about your background or where you come from. These same people, they try to deter away from you. If anything, it makes people more intrigued and drawn to you. And this person's going to witness that. And they're going to have to sit in their own prejudice and racistness. Okay? This person's going to have blocked access to you. Everything that they wanted is going to not materialize. So there's something about this person wanting to be a part of something. They want to be a part of, maybe they, like I said, they wanted to segregate you, and they're going to see that they're not included in whatever they tried to, or whoever they tried to segregate you from. They tried to downplay who you were because of your background, maybe because of your job role or whatever the case is. But people don't care. People find you to be a dream, a pleasure to be around, a whole vibe. This person's going to be outed. This person is going to be left out of parties and gatherings. People, if they in the past saw this person like a family member, or if they were a family member, this person's not going to be invited to events. People won't want to associate or be around this type of energy. Their mask is going to slip. So if this person had people fooled in the past with their manipulation, their mask is going to slip. And this is what this person is trying to salvage. They're trying to salvage their image because they know their mask is slipping. I can see an image of someone, crawling on the floor frantically trying to find something. And what they're trying to actually find is a mask to stuff it back on their face, to present to the world that they are this genuine, kind, likable soul, when in actual fact, they're ruthless, strategic, evil, manipulative, and calculating. And people are realizing this about this person, and they see them as very dangerous, and they want no parts. This person is going to be left out in the cold. They're going to be isolated. They're going to feel abandoned. They're going to feel alone. This is what they wanted for you, but this is going to actually be their own reality. And they're going to have to witness you standing in your power and being loved and adored just the way that they wanted. But instead,